Hi, today we're going to do some exercises together to get more familiar with using a spline. So let's start. For first, I want to create one flower. So from create in shapes, select rectangle in top, hold left click and drag. And for change, I have to come to modify, and for more change, right click, convert to a table spline. So I want in a segment use a divide. In this line, I need 3 points with 5 lines. So select 3 and divide. And also here, I need 2 lines with 1 point. Okay, Alt and W. So with tab 1 or from here, I select vertex and move, hold left click, and also select this one, and with control select this and move. And now look at here, we have one flower with a spline. So if I want to delete, select a table spline and then delete. Now I want to create one range. So in create, I select rectangle and then one circle, using Alt and W. Now I need one circle, same this. For make a copy, I select move with W, and if I use shift and hold left click and move, I can make copy. Then I have this window that asks me you need a copy or instance. With copy, just I can make copy, but distance means that any change I make to one will also happen to the other. But copy is okay now, and also again with shift and hold left click. And here it's number of copies. For example, I need 2 copies. Look. Okay. Now select rectangle, right click, convert to a table spline, and then use attach or attach multi, select all with control and attach. Now I want use boolean. For first, in union, I select this and then boolean, select this one and this one. And now I need subtraction, so select this and click here and here. Okay, Alt and W. Now you can see. Okay, delete this one, and now I want to create one knot. So in create, I use a star, and in the parameters, I think, for example, 5 points, and then convert to a table spline, Alt and W, vertex, select with control, I can select all, and then chamfer. With chamfer, hold left click and drag, and also again use control and chamfer. Okay, turn off chamfer. And I need one circle, center of this. Okay, and again select this one and attach with this. So look at here, this is a 2D shapes, but if I want to make 3D, I have to use one modifier from modifier list. This is extrude. If I use extrude, you can see in the parameters also I can change amounts like this. Okay, now I want create a logo in 3ds Max, or I want redesign a logo in 3ds Max. For example, Apple logo. Look at here. I want to make 3D this in 3ds Max. So what should I do? There are so more advanced way to do this, but for now I want to use the commands we've learned. So in a view, I come here and select configure viewport. In a background, use file, and I select file, for example this, open, and ask me apply to all viewports or apply to active viewport. I select active viewport and OK. It's better that you use a top view, Alt and W, OK, this one. And now I want to use line. Click here, also click here and hold left click and drag again. And ask me to close this line, yes. Also from here. Until I finish this, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Now select vertex. For example, this one I can move, and also Bezier corner, or maybe delete. You can Bezier corner. And I think I need one vertex here. So look at here. Line is actually a spline. Before, when I wanted to create a rectangle, circle, or something like that, I had to use edit spline or editable spline. But for line, no need to convert to edit spline or editable spline, because line is actually the spline. So I have vertex, segment, and a spline. I need one that's, I have to use refine and select here. Okay, oh I forget. And also this one. Okay, it's enough. And now I attach with this, and Alt W, use extrude, and now I have 3D logo. And I come here in configure viewport and back to normal. Okay, so now we create a 3D logo with a spline and extrude. So don't forget, practicing is the key to the success and deep learning. If you want to learn more, subscribe and stay tuned for the next tutorial. In the next region, I want to talk about lathes.